guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April Beauty Edit by FabFitFun. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the April Beauty Edit by FabFitFun has arrived. I actually was a little bit more disappointed in this box than others just because there wasn't really good choices that I wanted. Maybe because I have so many different products or I don't use a whole lot of different products. So it was a little harder for me this particular month. So you guys, let me know if you want to keep seeing this one or if you just want me to just stick with the seasonal box. Let me know what you want me to do with this subscription. However, this is $29.99 and I believe it's 4 full-size products you get inside of it. It always says you should have a retail value of $150. However, my last 2 boxes were not even close to the $150. They were under, so there's that. When you open it up, this is how it looks, and that is going to be my choices. Now, I do know that you get to choose on the 1st. It's when it opens up to customize it. And I was on vacation at the time, so I was trying to hurry up and do it. And it kept saying like there was some that you could not select. And I literally went in like the time that it opened and I could not select when it said it was already sold out. And apparently what my friend told me is there was a lot of problems, I guess in the forum, people were talking about having the same issue and they were fixing it. Well, I just ended up settling after an hour of it still being like that. I just settled, cashed my card out, and went on with my day. So I don't know if they put other options later or not. So I'm only going to be able to show you the options that I was offered when I was able to choose mine. So if you don't know, I always do show you, just like my other FabFitFun, what products are available for each choice, because that is the beauty in them. You get to choose every single product to customize your own box. So let's go ahead and go with customization number 1. I will show you what all the options are, and then I'll show you what I chose. The Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Sleep Air Intensive Night Mask, valued for $45. Vibrant Face and Body Sunscreen, valued for $30. Dr. Jart Sensitive Skin Serum Face Mask for redness. It's a 5-pack, valued for $37. Or there was a Dr. Jart Gentle Foam Cleanser for sensitive skin, and that's the one that I could not choose. I would have chose that one because that is a product that I would use. However, I wasn't given that option, at least for the first hour. So I went ahead and settled for the Vibrant Face and Body Sunscreen. I mean, I am outside in the garden a lot, even though I have so many different sunscreens. I just thought, I guess, a sunscreen. Because that was really the only thing that I could choose. So this is what I picked. And then that is the top that you push down to get it out. It is a nice large container. I give it that. It's just, again, I have so many different sunscreens, so I would have wanted to choose something that I would actually use, but that other one was just not an option for me at the time. So that's what I picked. Again, this one is valued at $30. So there's number 1. So all of the different options you can choose for category number 2 will be an overnight repair hair serum, valued for $34. Matilda Travel Spray by Rosie Jane, or a Bare Minerals Gen Nude Highlighting Blush, valued for $29. And for that one, I chose the perfume. This again is valued for $29 for the travel size. And it says that it is a elevated blend of bright and fruity passion fruit, opening into a tart and sweet center of meringue and finger lime before setting into a muted base of golden musk for a signature second skin finish. So it looks like citrus, musk, sandalwood, that kind of thing, but there's no rose or lavender. So I gladly chose this. I love perfumes, so I was like, yep, there you go. There was one that was rose that I got recently, and that went in a future giveaway because I wasn't gonna do rose. But this is what it looks like. So let's give her a little spritz. for some reason that just reminded me of a scent that smelled, when I stayed at my mom's, there was something in there that she had that smelled kind of like this, and it was a really nice scent. I don't know what in the world it was, but every time I went in that room, it smelled really nice, and that's kind of what this reminds me of. So it's reminding me of my room at my mom's. It is very light. It's not anything like a strong scent whatsoever. I'm getting just very light scent, but it smells nice and clean. So at least I can use that. So all of the different products for category number 3 will be SPF 50 Hydrating Sunscreen Balm, valued for $22. Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Polish, valued for $25. Or a Social Super Bloom Lip Plus Cheek Tint. This is valued at $28, and it was in 2 different colors, in Wildflower, or you can choose it in Laguna Peach. So since I don't do anything with my lips, I guess I was forced to get the lip balm, the SPF lip balm. So again, since working in the garden and that kind of thing, I thought I'll just stick this in my little mailbox, my mail toolbox, and then when I'm out there I could always put it on my lips, just so I don't get my lips chapped. It looks like it says Bejeweled is maybe like the color. This is what it looks like, and it is a balm, but it looks like it's gonna have a color to it. It will. See, and I don't really like colored stuff. I don't, but it looks like an orangish kind of color that's inside of it. And yeah, that is definitely orange, like an orange. I don't know if I'll use this one or not, but again, that's just what I had to choose from. So there's that. So all of the different options you can choose for category number 4 will be Too Faced Quickie Queen Eyeshadow Stick. You can choose it in Chocolate Sprinkles or in Love Stone, both valued for $26. London Town Bubble Illuminating Nail Concealer, valued for $20. Or they had the Touchland Power Essence Body and Hair Fragrance Mist in 2 different scents, Lush Tropical or Sparkling Bergamot, both valued for $20. And I really would have chose that because I have their hand sanitizers, which are amazing, and I have not tried the hair and body mist, and so I definitely would have chose the teal colored one, but I couldn't choose either one. Both options were not available for me, so I chose one of the Too Faced eyeshadow sticks. I normally don't use that type of eyeshadow, so I don't know if I'll keep it to maybe play around with it at some point or just put it in a future giveaway, but it is $26 and I chose it in color Love Stone. And here is the packaging. This is what it looks like. And there is the color, which kind of looks like a maybe coppery, silvery kind of a color. Again, I'm not sure if it's something that I want to play with or just put in a future giveaway, but that is what I chose for the 4th and final category. So a quick recap to what I was kind of forced to choose is a sunscreen, a lip sunscreen, a perfume, and a eyeshadow stick. Okay, you guys, so again, that's what I was kind of forced to choose. I mean, I'm not really excited about any of these products because I don't use these, I don't need this, and I really did not need another perfume because I have so many, but this is what I got. That is what I got. If you were able to select anything and you got this box, the ones that I didn't get, let me know if you were able to snag one of those other 2 items that I really wanted. But, you know, after an hour of waiting and refreshing, I'm like, I'd rather at least just save my box and move on because, again, I was on vacation and I didn't want to deal with anything. So there we go. But definitely let me know down below if you want to continue seeing the monthly box so I know what to do with this membership, because it's just kind of feeling a little disappointing that there's only like 3 items to choose from. And in the seasonal, there's like 15 to 20 per category. So I just wish there were a little bit more options for people that are more like me, that do not use like heavily onto makeup or don't need a whole lot of skincare, because there's only one of me and I can only use so much. But that is that. Let me know what you think down below in the description box. Again, this is $29.99. I love that they are full-size products, even though a travel size is considered full size for the perfume. But I love that they're full-size products and you are in control of choosing what goes in your box at least. So there's that. If you like to check out FabFitFun for the seasonal box or the monthly box, I will have them in the description for you to pop on over and check them out. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so again, that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.